Did you know that tornadoes are more common in the United States than in any other country? We average nearly 1,200 a year, have 80 deaths and 1,500 injuries, and they can occur in all 50 states. Stick around and we'll find out what needs to be in your severe weather preparedness kit. This episode is brought to you by Baby Bjorn. Be prepared for fatherhood. Baby Bjorn. Even if you don't live in a tornado-prone area, severe weather like floods and hurricanes and blizzards can affect many parts of the United States. We talked to Kelly Messina from Radio Shack about some weather gear that you need to have on hand to keep your family safe.
We have a whole host of products to help families get ready for weather preparedness. And the first one I'm going to talk to you about today is a weather radio. I'll give you the reason why I recommend this one. You would enter your zip code. That's going to significantly reduce the number of false positives that you're going to get. So when you watch the weather and you see that huge square that they block out, most weather radios would alert you if you're in that giant square, but it may be hours before that weather gets to you, and it may never get to you. The other piece that's great about this is you're going to get what it has Skywarn in it, which is going to give you and your family an additional 8 minutes of warning. So this is a portable power device. It's a lithium battery. You're going to charge it through the USB device on your computer, and then it will charge iPhone and iPod. It's going to give you an additional 6 hours of talk time. The great thing about this battery is that it's a lithium battery. It's going to lose less than 5% of its power per month. So once you charge this up, throw it in your weather prep kit, it's going to be charged. Even if it's 6 months later, it's still going to have at least 50% of its battery life. Now we're going to move into flashlights. The first one I'm going to show you is the Icon Rogue. This is a black aluminum flashlight. It's waterproof, so it can drop into a meter of water and still work. And it also is going to last for 90 hours on these two batteries. And then the last one I want to talk to you about is the Blackout Buddy. So you're going to plug it into your outlet. On a normal day, it's going to serve as a nightlight. However, if the power was to go out, this flashlight on the top is going to go on. It will help light you down a dark hallway to your weather prep kit. You can pull it out, and then it will serve as a flashlight for you. This, along with any other Red Cross branded product in our stores, if one of your consumers purchases this, a donation goes back to Red Cross. When you get your weather prep kit ready, if you have a family, we ask that you engage your children in helping you test the flashlights, make sure that all the batteries are working. It gives you a great opportunity to show everyone what your family's plan is, to show them where the kit is, and just to talk about it in general so that if something does happen, hopefully it'll reduce the fear and anxiety that they experience during that.
Wow, now those are all great things to have to keep your family safe and prepared. Another thing you might want to think about is get one of these thumb drives and scan and save all of your important family documents on this, and then throw it in a safety deposit box. So if anything happens to your house, you'll have all your important docs ready to go. I'd like to thank Radio Shack for showing us all these cool gadgets, and also like to thank Baby Bjorn, Architect Certified Safe for your baby, Baby Bjorn. We'll see you next time here on The Lab.